Hi, thanks for tuning in for another episode of Gold Country Slot Car Racing Association. My name is Blake. I think I've held off showing my face on camera quite long enough now, and I've got a little unboxing for you. It's a car we don't have, a car we don't even run, and I just wanted to have it. It came from PendleSlotRacing, and, well, you'll see what it is. Let's get into it. Alright, here we go. So bear with me a little bit. Never done one of these unboxing things before, so. Got a little bit of that. Some, see what do we have? Got some Scale Extra tires. Some American classic cars. It's not really what you guys want to see. Ooh. Little Scale Auto Slim Can motor. To be determined. And a little resin figure. So, that's enough of that. Let's get into the car. Okay, packaged up nice and tight. Oh boy, here we go. Now, I have gotten cars from Pendle before. They always ship well. I always like what I have from them. I had the Jaguar XJ220. It came out pretty well. I painted that one. But this is something different. Penelope Pitlane classic. You know, throw it down in the comments. What do you think it's going to be based on, I don't know, what do you think I'd want to have? Let's see. More bubble wrap. Oh, some good looking tires. Alright, we've got the axles, braid, bushings, motor, slim can, 16,000 RPM. That might give you a little hint what this is. Inline gear, nothing special there. Little SMJ chassis. Neat little set of instructions. And, well, let's get into it. Now again, this is a car I don't have, a car we don't even run, one that I just wanted to have. It's a, had a little bit different look to the different cars of the era. And, well, something that really stood out, of course, because I'm sure anyone who has this car, has seen the car, would notice is those exhaust pipes. Now, we do have the decals, a little more resin figures, but here it is. Now it is the Maserati 250 V12, the one from practice in Monaco, Fangio car. Now it is a beautiful looking car. I really like this. Overall, great looking car. Got all the pieces here. And I'm really stoked to get into this thing. So again, this is just the unboxing. We're going to get a closer look at this car. But in the future, I'm going to be painting this, prepping it, doing all of that. Then we're going to get the assembly done. We're going to put it on the track for a little shakedown. And then we're going to try to get a 1950s F1 race set up from Gold Country Slot Car Racing Association. And we'll see what this does. And you know, depending on how I feel about this Penelope Pitlane 16,000 RPM motor, I might just have to go with the Scale Auto 25,000 RPM slim can motor. But again, let's wait and see. We'll see what it does on track. All right, anyways, thanks for joining us. See you next time.